How to block messages and video calls from someone on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click right here, click on settings and privacy, click on settings right here. Now all what you have to do is go right here to block it. Go to block messages option right here, click on edit, and now click add up to blocked list. Now add the name of the friend that you want to block messages and video calls from, and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.